Okay, Chris here, Uniworks Design. Sometimes it's the little things that make the difference. In this case, I have a new rear wiper arm to replace the one that was rusty and stuff. I still got Moab dust on it too, but it's starting to rust out on the inside, so I saw this one and picked it up. That's one of the changes I did today. The more exciting one is coming up in a second. So as you know, I got these taillights that I won at Bus Fusion, and I kind of like the look. It's not exactly stock, but it's a bit different. So I decided to do the same similar type of non-stock look with the front, but I think it melds in pretty well with the whole front end. So let me show you what I mean. So I picked up these headlights quite a while ago, actually, off of Amazon, of all places. I like the blackout look. It works well with the grill, how it's all blacked out. And so I decided to go with blacked out turn signals as well. They're pretty cool. I dig them. Here's what they look like with the parking lights on. Pretty cool. I like it. I happen to get a few more things too. I'm going to put some of them in the web shop, and some I'm going to install in my van. So there's always something going on, you know. It's always something.